Collision versus liability motorcycle coverage. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between collision and liability motorcycle coverage? Understanding these two types of insurance can help you make informed choices for your motorcycle protection. Let's break it down. Liability motorcycle coverage is the most basic type of insurance and is often required by law. This coverage helps pay for the costs related to bodily injury and property damage that you may cause to others in an accident. However, it does not cover any damage to your own motorcycle or your medical expenses. So, if you are at fault in a crash, liability insurance will help cover the damages for the other party, but you will still be responsible for any repairs or replacement costs for your own bike. On the other hand, collision coverage is part of what is commonly referred to as full coverage insurance. This type of coverage pays for the repair or replacement of your motorcycle if it is damaged in an accident, no matter who is at fault. This includes collisions with other vehicles, motorcycles, or objects like guardrails. Collision coverage is designed to protect your investment by helping cover the costs of fixing or replacing your motorcycle after an accident. So, to put it simply, liability insurance protects others from damages you cause, while collision insurance protects you by covering the damage to your motorcycle after an accident. Generally, liability insurance is cheaper but offers limited protection. Collision coverage provides broader financial protection but typically comes with a higher premium. When it comes to motorcycle insurance, the choice between these two types depends on various factors. For instance, if your motorcycle is financed, lenders usually requiring you to have full coverage, which includes collision. If you own a newer or more expensive motorcycle, having collision coverage can save you from large out-of-pocket expenses if an accident occurs. On the flip side, if you have an older or less valuable motorcycle, you might consider liability-only coverage to keep your insurance costs down. However, this option carries the risk of significant financial loss if your bike is damaged or totaled. Practical applications can help clarify these choices. Riders who want peace of mind against theft, vandalism, or weather damage often opt for full coverage policies that include both collision and comprehensive coverage. Meanwhile, liability coverage meets the minimum legal requirements and protects you from claims by others, but it does not cover your own motorcycle or medical bills. In summary, collision coverage helps reduce your financial risk by covering repairs or replacement of your motorcycle after an accident, regardless of fault. Choosing the right cover involves balancing cost against the level of protection you desire, much like decisions made in car insurance policies. Understanding these differences helps motorcycle owners make choices that align with their needs and legal requirements.